To fix this problem, head straight to your phone and try to search for your phone settings. When you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. After that, try to search for apps and notification. When you find it, just tap on it to open it. Now wait for it to load. As you can see, it's loading, and after that, tap on see your apps when it appears. So after tapping on see your apps, wait for it to load, and after loading, you're going to see your apps listed over here. So what you have to do is to tap on the search app at the top to search for Snapchat. So when Snapchat pop-ups, just tap on it, then you tap on permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed. Go back, then tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is still good on. So now go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is still good on. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on the first stop, then you tap on OK. And now tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. Tap on Snapchat. So after searching it, tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on the update over here. So after updating it, what you have to do is to restart your device. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next one.